Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the data from the Yahoo Finance. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo Finance app on your home screen, then open it. Now to download the data, first choose one company that you want to download the data of. Simply you can select it from your home screen just like this, or you can simply tap on to search button and search for it. Now choose one of the company like this. Then you can see all of the data of the company just like this. Now to download it, simply tap on to the share button right here at the top. Now you can see there is no download button option. Now you can simply tap on to save files just like this, and you can save it on your files just like this. Then simply tap on to save, and after this your data will be saved to your files. And that's it. This is how you can download the data from the Yahoo Finance app. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.